Hello there. Today I will give you a lecture about DNS, how DNS is working. And uh, sorry for today, I don't have webcam now, so I will just only give you a lecture with my voice and this PowerPoint slide. Okay, so let's begin. Do you still remember what was DNS? So DNS is a system that change the domain, something like www.naver.com or google.com, something like that, change the domain to an IP. That was a very simple definition of DNS. And the process is that you go to com first, com and Google and dot dot dot. So this is the process how DNS is working. Then today I will tell you a very important thing, how DNS is actually working. Okay, suppose that there's a user who want to search. Okay, so well, okay, just do this. Okay, so this user want to find something like news.google.com. All right, article. Okay, so this user want to see news from Google, and the news is in article 1. So let's suppose that this IP is 10.10. Oh, no, 2020. Okay, this user have to find this IP, but he doesn't know yet. He only know the domain. Okay, so from this time he has to ask ask a domain. So in order to resolve this domain, so how domain is work, I tell you, it's not this. Okay, so what is article1.news.google.com? So this will go to a DNS server and you directly get an answer? No, the DNS is not working like this. You have to have a journey with DNS. So how it works, let's begin. So this person should find should go to dot first, because suppose the news.google.com, there is a dot here, all right, in the end, but it is generally omitted because in general we don't add a dot here. So in case I will show you news.google.com dot, but we still go redirection to here, right? Just as this. So first of all, you will go to a dot. This is the very top. This is the very beginning of DNS. And after you go to a dot, this dot will give you a response. And this dot says, "Oh, I am dot. I don't know. I don't know about news.google.com, but I know where com is." Okay, so the dot name server will respond like this. "Oh, I'm done. I don't know about news.google.com. I know where com is. I know where this is." And this user will ask again. Ask who? Ask uh, ask com's name server. Okay, com. Dot told me that I have to ask you where news.google.com is. You have to tell me. And this com will say, what? This com will say, "Oh, news.google.com. I don't know where's, I don't know, IDK. I don't know where's news.google.com. But I know but I know where is google.com. Alright, but I know where is google.com. So you have to ask google.com in order to know news.google.com. So this user will ask again, hey, google.com. Okay, this first. So this time he asked google.com. Oh, sorry. Let me do this. All right. So this time this user will ask google.com's DNS server, and this google.com when a client or a guest asks, oh, where's news.google.com, article1.news.google.com, where it is, and this will say, oh, I know where's news.google.com. So you have to find news.google.com. Okay, you have to ask him, I don't know, I know only news.google.com, but I don't know where's article1.google.com. So this client will ask again, oh, one more time, news.google.com. So this is news.google.com's name server, and here, oh, where's article1.news.google.com. So he will ask news.google.com's name server that article1 news.google.com. Then this name server will respond, oh, that one is 2020. Right. Then this user will know, oh, right, that was 2020. Yeah, it's very, very complex, and I don't know why the DNS structure is like this, but yeah, because our seniors, they said DNS like this, domain name system like this, but you have to remember. So if you go to ask all of these things, this user may use a resource a lot, not a lot, but maybe some resource can be used by this user, and this user have to contact each and every server every time when he wants to know a new domain, right? So people who are lazy to, or not lazy, but people who are very genius, they create a server called resolver. So what is this resolver? So when you find a new domain, you have to query one by one and get an answer. But you don't want to do this. You want to authorize, or you make this server to find it for you, and you just get the final answer. Yeah, that is what resolver do. This is called recursive resolver. Oh, sorry. Let me turn off this. Alright, let me turn off this. Okay, recursive resolver. So in this recursive resolver, so you ask this guy. Just what? Oh, I want news.google.com. You just ask this server, and this server will do this thing for you. Yeah, the very complex one. All right. Okay. Suppose you ask article1.google.com. And this recursive resolver will do it for you, and you just get the final answer. Very simple. All right. 20 20 20 20. All right, so you don't have to do this process by yourself, but this resolver will do it for you. And this resolver will query one by one, one by one, one by one, and when he get the final answer, he will respond to you. And in this recursive resolver, how can we know this? You see, have you ever configured about this? Sorry for this is Korean, and but you may know what is this. Set use this DNS server. So I put something here in here 16A 126 63 1 and 2. This is what resolver do. Okay, the DNS server here is not mean this. This is called name server. This is called name server that that has some kind of domain. So let me tell you. Name server. So what is name server? Name server is that a server who has the information of domain. All right, you see, it's something like this. All right, suppose that you have you are the manager or administration of google.com. Okay, so you are an administration of google.com, then you have to manage your domains like this. You have to manage the news, or you have to manage the account, or you have to manage manage what? Suppose that manage the music, google.com. You have to manage many domains. So because you are the administrator of google.com, you have to manage news, account, music, and in order to manage all of these domains, you have to use a name server. So this name server use port 53, and when a user asks you, oh, tell me where's news.google.com, you have to respond to this user. This is what name server work, right? So that's why you ask, oh, where's google.com, where's news.google.com. You have to, this name server has responsibility to respond to the user what domain that this server has. Okay, this is what name server work. But what is resolver? Generally, resolver doesn't have DNS, doesn't have domains. Generally, for outside, okay, for outside, something like you may see this one, Google 8888, right? Google 8888. This is resolver. So if you set 8888 here, then you will make Google DNS. So you set here. Oh, where is? Okay. All right. Here. So if you set 8888, is that you set a recursive resolver here. So you make Google DNS to find the final domain for you, final IP for you. This is what recursive resolver do. For in order to prove this, oh, I left this one. Okay, so let me see if I say google.com set type ns google.com. All right. So what is Google's DNS server? Google's name server is maybe 216.239.34 and 10. This is name server's IP. Alright, sorry. Name server's IP. And but you say 8888 is a Google DNS, right? So Google DNS means this 8888 means recursive resolver. This server doesn't have Google's domain, right? But Google's domain is obsessed or possessed by this one, ns1.google.com 216.239 and 32.10, right? So this is the difference of resolver, name server. So maybe this one can be 216.239 what something like that. So you have to divide. You have to know resolver and name servers are different. Resolver is the thing that help you to find the final domain's IP. So this is your slave. But name server is just the server to respond to you. But this slave will find the final response for you. Resolver, slave, name server is a server to give you back the answer. That's it for today. Thank you.